What's your I didn't start it, but I definitely finished it moment? When I went to buy my first car, I spent weeks researching before settling on a mid-size SUV. The salesman and I negotiated for 2 hours and agreed on $24,500 out the door. We shook hands and he said, "Let me get the paperwork started." I record important conversations, so I had the negotiation saved. When I sat with the finance guy, the price had jumped to $27,650. He pointed to dealer add-ons like nitrogen tires, VIN etching, and a protection package. I asked if these were negotiable, and he smiled, saying, "These are standard fees everyone pays." When I mentioned the salesman promised $24,500, he shrugged and said, "Salespeople say a lot of things." I pulled out my phone, hit play, and watched his face drop as he heard his colleague clearly state $24,500 total, including tax, title, and fees. No add-ons. He tried interrupting, but I turned up the volume. The recording continued with me asking, "So $24,500 is the final price?" And the salesman responding, "Yes, guaranteed. I'll put it in writing." The finance guy stammered, "Let me talk to my manager," and disappeared for 10 minutes. He returned with a new contract showing exactly $24,500. The cherry on top, he threw in floor mats as a courtesy. As I was signing, the salesman walked by, gave a thumbs up, having no idea I just used his words against his dealership.